Hi guys, so for this tier tray with the materials that we're gonna use, I always like to find different materials. I'm that person that I usually hate to buy things that are there for a purpose. Sometimes I go to the store and I'm like looking for different ways to do different things, and I love it. I think there's so many things that people don't even realize that they could use as materials to decorate, and it's crazy. But I want to show you. I got this. I don't know if you can see it. This is confetti glitter. I got this one from Michael, and we're gonna use this for the plates to decorate the plates. I also have gold leaf imitation. I have the silver and the gold because actually the glitter has a mix of silver and gold, so I wanted to mix the same, and in that way it will look like super nice. So we're gonna need 2 plates. I got this one at Dollar Tree. So I got one big and another one small. What else we're gonna use? We're gonna use resin. I know you're not used to resin, guys. Let me tell you, a lot of the things that I do, I use resin. I do jewelry with resin. I do so many things. Resin is an amazing product. You don't even know how beautiful it is. I like resin, bougie resin. Nah, I like to make beautiful things with it, very fancy. So you're gonna need resin, and usually it's 1 for 1. So when you're mixing it, you're gonna mix 1 for 1. What else we're gonna need? We're gonna use this for the base of the tray for the small plate, for the big plate and the small plate. I actually put tape on it because this one has a nice like silver, and then I sprayed this gold, and it's gonna look gorgeous. And what else, guys? If you don't find it, you could use candle holders. Just find something. You don't have to do the same things that I'm doing. I'm giving you my idea, and you could even make it better. And I hope when you make it better, you could share it with me. And what else do we need? We need this to mix the resin, and pretty much this is it. I hope you like the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you subscribe, and I see you at the end of this video to see the final results, and I hope you love it. I know you're gonna love it because I love it. So everything that I do is like with passion, and I know you're gonna love the final results. So I see you in a few. right, guys. Well, I want to show you. I want to show you the way they plate. They look amazing. They came out great. I want to show you the two of them. I actually did a few coats of the glitter and I actually waited 24 hours for the resin to dry. But now, if you want, you could do another resin for 24 hours, and then you're gonna put them in the vases, and then you're gonna just put the whole tray together. But I decided that I don't need to do it because I'm gonna use this as a jewelry to hold my jewelry. But there's some options that you could, with these, you actually could have a very budget dinner, and you could buy the chargers from the Dollar Tree. And I want to show you how it looks. That's the way it looks. I think it's very bougie. I love bougie things. Bougie, 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 bougie. This one is with the gold. I want to show you the one with the silver. Oh, God help me. Gee. This is the one with the silver. It's very fancy. That's what I like. I like different things. I think that we are supposed to create beautiful things, and whatever you do with like that passion, it's going to be beautiful. So, but I'm not doing chargers. I'm actually going to do the tray. So I already actually marked the middle of the bigger plate. So now I actually gonna glue it. Usually I love resin. Resin is a beautiful material, and I was gonna use resin to glue it, but it takes so much time. But I just didn't want to mix resin to glue this because it's sometimes it's a waste. So I'm gonna use it's Fashio, which is very good, but it's also gonna take 24 hours. But the results are gonna be beautiful. You could use these for the jewelry. You could use this for pastry. The options are just amazing. I just love resin. I love bougie resin, not resin with bugs or resin with flowers. No, I don't like that type of resin. I like that resin when people even look at it, they're like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Actually, you see these earrings? I made them myself. I had these old earrings, very cheap earrings that I got. I said, oh, they're boring. So I actually did the whole thing, the charm, and I think they look so pretty. So it has nothing to do about money, guys. It's about just having that taste to feel like so good, and just to be able to. You don't need money. You don't need a rich husband. We don't need rich husbands. We just need to know how to do things, and that's what I do. So guys, let's start getting everything together. So I have So guys, you could put anything to decorate it, the top, which will give it a little bit more like fancy look. But I actually did this charm. I had the mold. I show you I show you that they have the one, and they actually sometimes they have in Amazon. But this one I got from the bigger one I got it from AliExpress. And I mixed the same colors that I used for the plate, and now I'm gonna just put it here just to make it more like fancy, and I think it's gorgeous. And tomorrow I will show you the final product. I hope you like it. Subscribe. If you have any comments, good comments, you go like that, and then if you have bad comments, tell me what I did wrong. Maybe I could do it better. I'm just trying to sell this product, this beautiful thing, and I'm sorry I have such a heavy accent, but it is what it is. I want you to embrace what I'm making, and just teach you how to do beautiful things without money. So that's what it's about. It's not me, it's about a product. So I hope you really, really love it. And I hope I see you again. And if you should subscribe, you're going to be amazed. I'm going to be making very crazy things and very bougie, because bougie is my name. So bye. Have a nice one, guys. Bye. Hi guys, well, it has been 24 hours since I glue everything together. So I want to show you what I did and how it looks. So this is a 2-tier, which I'm gonna use in my bedroom for jewelry, which I think it looks stunning, beautiful. It's so bougie, just like me. I love bougie in it. So I'm holding this up like that because it's beautiful. But if you're having a party, or you could actually, you see this charger, 99 cents, you could put it underneath, and then we have a 3-tier. You could use this as decoration, or you could also, put some pastries on it. But let me tell you, you will get so much attention from this because it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Another thing that I want to show you guys, actually, the same way that I did the plates, the tray, I actually did this cylinder base. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I did the same thing. I put it upside down, and I actually put the resin on, and I started putting all the glitter and things on it, and then if you want, if you want it last for a while, you could give it another coat of resin. After the 24 hours, when this dries, you give it another coat, and that way it will last forever. I didn't do that, but you could do that. And look how pretty. This is beautiful. It's just amazing the way it looks. And look, this is gorgeous. So guys, subscribe. I hope you like my ideas. They're like a little bit crazy. It's not, I don't follow trends. I actually design my own things. And if you like it, subscribe, because I'm gonna have all these crazy things that I've been doing, and give me thumbs up. But if you do down, tell me what can I do better, and hopefully see you soon. And bye-bye. Be good, be safe, bye.